Hello, how are you? We're going to show you how you can use the email tool for your church management if you want to email your members that you've set up in your database. This comes with your streamingchurch.tv account as well as churchapplive.com and myflock.com. And to use it, log into your admin control panel, go over here to church management, and then go over here to communications and click communications, and you'll see the email members heading here. Click this, and here's how you do this. So this presupposes you've loaded up people in your membership database, and you can do several things here when you want to email people. There's ways you can set up different lists for this. This is our little test account here, but you can select all the members or specific ones, non-members, even outreach people if you've used the outreach tool. There are member groups that you can use, and you can set all this up, and then you can send the email from whatever email address you want to use it from, the subject, and you can CC somebody, copy them. And this is the editor that you can use to create the email. It's just a simple, really a website editor you can use to do some things. I do want to make a little note here that you can also sync things up. We have a synced tool with MailChimp. MailChimp actually is an email program that you can use for newsletters, and they have some really good analytics, and it's free up to a certain point. And if you want to do more with it, you can pay a minimum amount of money, and you can sync your existing addresses with MailChimp. We have that tool available here as well. So once you do everything, you can set things up and load images and send the message. And again, if you have questions about this email tool or anything else, by all means, send us an email, support@streamingchurch.tv. My name is Phil Thompson. I hope that you have a wonderful day.